So yeah, as you can see here, I'm gonna do a cool house tour, I guess, because I'm in Arizona for fun, and yeah, cool. So as you can see here, this is my room, and yeah, it's messy. It's cool. I know. I'll clean it up, but not right now. Yeah, this is where my stupid computer is. Yeah, it's cool. I will try to make videos on there, and unfortunately, I don't have my microphone, so audio quality will sound trash if I'm gonna record on my computer. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, this is my cool bed. Yeah, um, cool bathroom. I mean, yeah, this is just only one bathroom. We still got more. This is where my sister's sleeping. If I can, yeah, there it is. Cool. Um, this is the living room, not just one living room. Yeah, it's kind of dumb. The chairs suck, but yeah, we got a really cool kitchen. Here's the best living room ever. The cool TV. This couch is pretty comfortable. You know, it's cool. It's like one of the best couches ever. Um, yeah, blankets and pillows. Yeah, you get it. Some cool kitchen table thingies. You know, dinner table. Um, yeah, we're not done yet. So, this is like my parents' room. It's like literally the best. And this is the bathroom right here. Yeah, it's a pretty dope bathroom. As you can see, your bathtub and shower. Wow, cool, funny. And we have this random thing. And yeah, we also have the out pool, something like that. Yeah, backyard right here. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to the gonna show you what it looks like. And that I recorded yesterday, first day. By the way, this is our second day in Arizona. It's been pretty cool so far. Hopefully, no snakes come in the house.